Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make meat SHAMI kebab. I'm going to take 1.5 kg of channa dal and 3 kg of meat. I had the meat cut boneless and the big bones are separate. I'm going to take them out when they are boiled. Now I'm going to put this in the pressure cooker, the meat only first. I've added the ginger garlic. I'm going to add all these spices. 4 to 5 tablespoons of salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of red chilli, 1 tablespoon of haldi, 4 tablespoons of sokha dhaniya, 4 tablespoons of chilli flakes and 4 tablespoons of zeera. I'm going to add all these into the pressure cooker. Now I'm going to add all these whole spices into the cloth and put them in the pressure cooker. That includes 6 to 8 bay leaves, 10 to 15 cloves, 6 to 8 black cardamon and 2 to 3 inch piece of cinnamon stick. I have also added 2 medium-sized onions, chopped them, put them in, and 5 to 10 green chillies according to your taste. Now I'm going to let it boil. Put the pressure cooker on for half an hour. Meat should be very tender that it breaks easily. I'm going to check it after half an hour. Now I'm going to separate the bones. It's easier to separate it like that if the bones are big and all the meat's off. Now all the remaining meat on the bones, I've took that off and added that in the pressure cooker back. Now I'm going to add the chana dal in. I've soaked it for 2-3 hours and it's increased double in size. I'm going to add all of this in. I didn't add any more water. It's the same water where we cooked the meat in. Now I'm going to let it cook until it absorbs all the water and the meat and dal is very soft. If you put the pressure cooker on again, it will take another half an hour and it should look like this. Chana dal is cooked properly and the meat is very tender. Now at this stage I'm going to dry the excess water. For this procedure you need a separate pan or a pot. Put a small amount of mixture in the pot, about 1/4, and let it cook until all the water evaporates. This is the most important step. If the water is not dry properly, kebabs will not hold its shape. Now I'm going to use the potato masher to make this nice mixture. The meat gets shredded like this. If we grind this mixture, the texture will be different. I like to see the shredded meat in there. It gives a really nice texture. As you can see, it's all coming along. Now we're going to empty it out in a separate tub. We're going to repeat the same procedure for the whole mixture. I have dried it in 4 batches. You can see how it's convenient for you. It should look like this. On the side I've chopped 2 onions, bunch of coriander and green chillies. I've tasted it. I don't need any more salt, but I'm adding like 2 spoons of zeera and 2 spoons of sokha dhaniya. It will give a nice aroma. At this point you should definitely taste it so you can see if you need any more chili or salt in there. I didn't need any more spices, so I've added the onions, coriander and green chilies in there. Now I'm going to mix it properly how you need the dough. Make sure it's mixed really well. All the onions and the coriander should incorporate in the mixture. It should look like this. All the onions are mixed in properly and you can see the bits of coriander and it's making a nice texture. Now it's time to make shapes. I'm going to make it with my hands. You can use the cutter maker as well. I'm going to make shapes this way, layer it in the tray. Then I'm going to put it in the freezer to let it chill properly. I made over 120 kebabs out of this mixture. You can freeze it, put it in the freezer bags for later use. It's very helpful. You can make kebab burgers out of that or can serve it with rice. For beginners, I'm going to share the tip. If you don't have the cutlet maker, you can use a spoon. Put the mixture in, press it and make the kebab shape like this. This way all the kebabs will be equal size and shape. I froze the kebabs overnight. I'm going to take it out and pack in the freezer bags. You shouldn't put the kebabs while they are soft in the freezer bags, otherwise the shape of the kebabs will ruin. So these are frozen now, they've held their shape. I'm going to put in the Ziploc bags. You can put in 10s or 20s. It is very convenient and it doesn't even take that much space in the freezer. Before serving it, you need to cook it with the egg wash on with a little bit oil in the pan and flip it on both sides for 3 to 4 minutes and it's ready to serve. I'm going to show you in the end of this video as well. I have mentioned all the ingredients in the description. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions regarding this recipe, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.